Hey everyone, this is Wade from fishfindermounts.com. We got our 15mm magnetic transducer mount on here, and we've got the 10 amp hour premium boat mount kit here, making your fish finder portable, easily removable and installable on any boat within about a minute, making everything super portable. You can take it on your fly-in trips and your rental boats or whatever it might be. We're just going to crank it up and see how it performs on the side of your boat. Very little skipping, almost nothing. And we're just pulling into the marina here right now, so we're going to just bring it down in speed. I'm just telling you guys out there that this is a fabulous solution for you guys. Putting it on your small aluminum fishing boat, your kayak, canoe, whatever it might be. This is an awesome solution. It allows you to not drill holes in your boat and destroy your boat. And not use glues. You can get your transducer right in the water where you want it and get your signal, keep it nice and clean, and you can read the temperature of the water with your transducer and so on and so forth. So this is Wade at fishfindermounts.com. Give us a call at 1-855-784-3474 and get yours today. Thanks for watching, everyone.